How to reset your Chase Bank username or password from the sign-in page. Hello everybody and welcome back. If you'd like to do so, in today's video we will be providing you with a step-by-step reset guide for that. So let's dive right into the video. So we can go to the sign-in page of Chase, open up Chrome or any other browser that you're using, or you can open up the Chase mobile application as well and directly head over to Chase.com. Go ahead and type in chase.com, hit go, and then open it up. Once you open up chase.com, what we can do is we can just go over and look out for the sign in option in the top right corner and tap. Now once we tap on it, what we need to do is basically look out for the option for forgot the username or password. So find that link available. So you need to open up the sign in page for that, which will be available like this. So we can directly look out for the option called forgot username or password right below the sign in button available on this sign in page. So tap on it, forgot username or password, and once we tap on it, we can just go over and provide identification. So for that, open up the space first and we can start with the process. So the first thing we need to do is we need to enter up our social security number or the tax ID. So in this first box right here, we can just go and enter it up, enter up the provider details, ask details, and right below it, we need to provide in our amount, account, card, and application center number. So just go and provide it up in this box right here. And if you do not have social security number, you can select this option of don't have, or if you're an authorized user on another commercial or business account, you can select the second option right below it. Now, once it is done, you can tap on next once you enter it up, and you can follow on the on-screen instructions to create and confirm a new password that meets the security criteria, such as length, symbols, etc. So enter it up. And once confirmed, you can log in with your username and your new password. You can just go ahead and complete that process, and you should be able to reset your Chase bank username or password very easily. And that's it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.